Okay, friends, just open your settings application from your Android mobile. Okay, open settings, go to Bluetooth. You can see here. Then open your elvon earbuds. You can see here. This is the box and very cute designs like Apple iPods. So that's guys very simple design. Just open your AirPod elvon, then bring one AirPods. Then turn on your Bluetooth earphones to connect fastly. Okay, turn on it. Then just wait for the available device. You can see here ETWS053. That's the code. Just tap on it. It will be start pairing. You can see here, and there is a pair request. Accept it. That's it. You are simply paired your elvon earbuds. So you can see here it is connected and the charging is 100%. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.